Bonne nuit, mon petit. Buy a French start for the parented course. French Together 1. C'est l'heure de faire dodo. Bonne nuit, tête. Bonne nuit, yeux. Bonne nuit, joues. Bonne nuit, nez. Bonne nuit, main. Un câlin et au lit. Bonne nuit, fais de beaux rêves. Thank you for joining us. This story is part of the French Together series, designed to help children hear French naturally and enjoy learning at their own pace. With colorful illustrations, playful animals, and simple words, it's a gentle way for little learners to explore French. If you enjoyed this story, the full book, with all 6 stories, is available for purchase. A simple, fun way to bring more French into your child's day.